I'm Lisa. I welcome you back to Beautiful You Wig Reviews. I'm so glad that you're here today. Just a reminder before I get started to subscribe and hit that bell, and then you'll get a notification every time I post a new wig-related video. Today I'm bringing you another review for Pinky Promise, and I want to also remind you that Pinky Promise has a 30% off discount code for new subscribers to the website. So I am over the moon excited to show you this gorgeous hair. This is a brand new release by Estetica Designs for 2021 for the fall. This is LOCKLAN, and the color on this one is RH1226 RT4. So I'll be back in a moment to tell you all about this beautiful hair. Okay, let's jump in and talk about this beautiful, beautiful new release. This is a long, just semi-layered, not super layered, just layered enough to have some movement. Beautiful, beautiful piece. And this color is fabulous. You know, I have reviewed a lot of brunettes in the past, and I know I have a lot of brunette followers, and the rooting on this piece and the warmth and beauty of this blonde, I think this would be a great transition for my brunette friends. So something to note about this beautiful color. This is RH1226 RT4. So you do have a root of 4, which is always nice because then your eyebrows, any kind of bio hair on the side here, you know, blends in with the color. So let me do a turn all the way around and I will show you LOCKLAN on all sides, and then we'll get into all of her specifications. So here she is from the front. I mean, y'all, I feel fabulous in this hair. This is just one of those wigs that you put it on and you are, it's amazing. It's beautiful. She's just gorgeous. So excited. And look at the way the hair lays, those pretty layers, the texture on the ends. It's just beautiful. Okay, so here is my right side. I love the way also when you put her back, see those little layers? I gotta stand up on my toes a little bit, make sure you can see all the way down to the end. So here's the back. Here's my left. Again, you know, you can put it over, a little bit over your shoulder, put it all back. So pretty. And back to the front. Okay, so let's talk about her measurements. So she is very long. So she has a bang here in the front that's 10 inches. She has a 22-inch measurement from the crown. She has 17-inch sides. And her nape back here is 15 inches. So she does have this bang layer. So I feel like if you are a person who wants more bang coverage, you could definitely, you know, snip those and get those to the length that you like. I think they look really pretty just swooped off to the side because you do have a little bit, you know, of a side sweeping coverage there over the forehead. But if you're somebody who wants more coverage, I do believe you could easily cut a bang into this one. So she is a full mono top with a lace front. So I'll show you this lace front. Looks really, really nice. Even though you've got a rooting of 4 on this color, I feel like it just looks very natural. It's very pretty. Here is your mono part. This one is parted on the left, but of course you could part in the center, you could part on the right. Sometimes this one came parted on the left, so sometimes when you do go and change that part, you might have to steam it a little bit to get the hair to lay right, but it's not difficult to do. So there's your mono part. Of course, you've got, you know, your part is going to go all the way back to your crown, which looks very natural. I'll show you her ear tabs. This is an average size cap, and of course I am petite, so I have just great coverage, but this is not fitting huge on me. It does have plenty of stretch for larger circumferences. I think that's one thing that's so great about Estetica caps, but really pretty. And like I said, you can see that rooting. So it looks very natural if you do have some brunette hair that's showing through just slightly. A rooted piece is definitely the way to go if you want to, you know, branch out into some lighter colors. So really, really pretty. This is just absolutely gorgeous. So let me pop her off and we will look at her interior cap construction. Okay, interior cap construction for LOCKLAN by Estetica Designs. So here is your lace front. You have a nice long lace front, looks very natural. Full mono top, so again, like I said, you can part that anywhere you want. She has the open wefted ear tabs, which are really great for your glasses. They have a good sized piece of metal in there. Open wefted cap all through the back. She has an extended nape that is also open wefted, which is nice. And then she has hook adjusters. So really, really nice. Okay, let's take a look at this beautiful color. So this is RH1226 RT4. Very, very pretty blonde, like I said, with dark rooting. So their description is a light brown with chunky golden blonde highlights and dark brown roots. So, you know, dark blonde, light brown, those kind of, you know, gel together. I see more of a, I don't know, I guess if I was going to describe it, I guess I would say dark blonde, but in their description, they're saying light brown, but that's probably one other reason why it's, you know, working with my skin tone. So really, really pretty. So you can see those golden highlights going through it, and they're very, very nicely done. They look very natural, just like you've been at the salon, you know, and had your beautiful highlights done on your fabulous long hair. Huh? So very, very pretty. And then you've got your rooting, and the rooting is really nice because it's not too long or anything like that. It's just very, very natural rooting. Looks great at the part. And on this monotop, anywhere you part it, you're gonna have that rooted appearance at your part. So it looks really, really nice. And then it's all through the wig. If you're doing updos and stuff like that, you're gonna have that rooting all through the color, which is very, very pretty. Really nice. Okay, let's look at it outside. Okay, such a pretty color. I just love it out there. So let's talk about styling with her. She is, I forgot to mention, I don't really feel any permatease in this at all. And like I said, it's an average cap. So the cap, you know, there's plenty of extra room in the cap, but I was able to pull the adjusters in and it's fitting my petite head pretty well. So, you know, for those of you who are smaller head sizes, I think this would work for you. It fits really good ear to ear. Cap is not impinging on my, you know, the back of my ears or anything like that. So let me jump in and we'll talk about glasses and all that kind of stuff. So she's ear tuckable. So that's no problem. So then your glasses are gonna be super easy. You put them up on your head, no problem. Really easy on and off. So that's not an issue. You know, you could put a headband with her, but I want to show you some other things other than a headband. You know, obviously, if she's behind your ears, you could tie a scarf in her, you could put a headband on, and it would be really, really pretty. But she's got just a lot of options with all this length. So one thing, if you want to get the hair out of, you know, if you feel like the hair is in your face a little bit, I don't feel like she's a real bad face fluffer, but if you're in the office or something and you're looking down, I could see where she might, you know, flop in your face a little bit. So just take this front part of the hair, tuck it behind your ear, and then let the other hair fall over that, and that solves that problem a lot. You know, that gets a lot of that hair out of your face. You could do the same thing on this side too. Just take a layer, tuck that back, and that looks really, really cute actually to wear it like that, just for something different, or if you're just not wanting so much hair around your face. And then of course, you can clip her, you know, off the face. She's got a full mono top. You could bump her up here up on the top. She is, of course, gorgeous for half up, half down. You know, any kind of style like that. I think I would leave these pretty layers out in the front. Pull her back. Not super easy to do on camera, but you know, get the gist. So pull her back like that. Maybe leave those layers out front. You could pull some of that back if that's too much for you, but another thing that's nice about that is if you do have some bio hair showing there and maybe it's a different color, it'll disguise it, you know, but she looks really, really gorgeous like that. I mean, her layers, she is just so pretty, and she falls so nicely. She's so feminine and just so pretty. So while I've got her back like this, I'll go ahead and show you. You can do a ponytail. Of course, you have plenty of hair for a ponytail or a twist or whatever. You have an extended nape. So you just want to make sure when you pull her up like that you pull that nape down. There are some teeny little baby hairs back here, if you notice that, which I think are really, really cool. And again, that rooting is showing under there, so it looks, you know, just looks natural, consistent with the rest of the wig, like you've just got some rooting on your hair, but she's so pretty, you know, up in a ponytail. And of course, if you can do a ponytail, then that means you can braid her, you can do some really, really gorgeous updos. So this would be beautiful hair for a special occasion, for a wedding, whatever. You know, I would just do, you know, watch videos on YouTube and watch some of these fabulous girls who know how to do all these styles and, you know, do it on a wig head, and then it's ready to go, plop it on your head, and you're good to go for whatever your occasion is. So really, really gorgeous style. I think she's gonna be super popular. I think she's gonna look fabulous on a lot of you. So I'm really, really excited about this beautiful style. All right, so thank you so much to Pinky Promise again for providing this wig for review today. Don't forget to go to the website and sign up for emails, and you will get a new subscriber code when you sign up to get those emails. That's how you find out about all the sales and all the great things going on at pinkypromise.com. So thank you so much for watching today, and until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.